All right, y'all, let's go time.
This is not a test.
I'm on my year. Just opened up the online raffles, the in-store raffles for the I'm on my year Jordan 12s and both of the colorways. These are an absolute must secure. And by must secure, these are of the highest priority. So I'm headed over to Social Status right now to enter in their in-store raffle. Luckily, I happen to be in Atlanta where I got 2 in-store raffles that I can enter. And of course, the first come, first serve online is next Friday. We are going full float. We are opening up the floodgates.
Bring me everyone. What do you mean everyone?
Everyone! Because these have to come home. And I'm putting it out in the air right now that what's gonna happen is that, all of this footwork is going to pay off, and we'll do a culmination of this video with a unboxing and review. Man, so I'm over here, working, get me an email from Maniere. They ain't even got a size 12. So they ain't make them. So they apologized. Your entry will be defaulted to a size 14W, which is a 12.5 man. So no additional appointment for your updated size is necessary, even though I'm about to go in there and do it anyway. Just throw that out there. I have an appointment at Maniere. This one I did right here was at Social Status. Yeah, so it's a little disappointing. Yeah, there. So what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Size 12 is a very, very common size. So a lot of us either gonna be cramping our foot into an 11.5 or have some space flopping around and creasing up our 12.5s. All right, now, so we out of the gym, headed over to Maniere. I'm gonna try to talk to them and see if they can give me any more information about the drop, especially, with them not having the men's size 12 or women's size 13.5, and see what we can do. And apparently in a quarter of a mile, my destination will be on the right, so. All right, so they was super hush-hush about it. But, that's what you're supposed to do. Like I'm saying, in story, you ain't supposed to give away no information. I tried to ask my little probing questions or whatever the case is. But they did say I could go ahead and enter in both places. I'm really crossing my fingers, hoping that they don't see me in there twice and be like, oh man, he's a bitch ass nigga. So I'm just gonna, cross my fingers and, hope that it, hopefully it works out. Just when I thought it was over. And I'm like, all right. So I guess it's, man versus machine, or, manual users versus bots tomorrow, for these black 12s. Then I got the email, complete your purchase. Listen, I was like, oh snap, I'm just sitting here working, just, just checking my email for some reason. Actually, I don't want to tell you why. It was because I had bought my wife something. I'm not going to tell her, it's supposed to be a surprise. But yeah, so I'm checking the email just to look at the confirmation. And boom, I'm like, oh my goodness, man. I didn't even think they were going to be sending out dubs today, man, because they said it was going to be through the 22nd.
James for the win. It's gone.
All right, and what do we have here? Yes, sir. Black pair secured in hand. Final boss defeated. All right, y'all. Your boy has no pressure. Confirmed for the white pair as well, man.
Thank you, God.
Victory! And shout out to James Whitner and the entire Whitaker group. I'm on my year Social Status, man. Even shout out to APB, man. I was able to get the Dreamer World. Yeah, man. The man has a chokehold on my wallet right now. Like,
Please stop hitting me.
This is a new one?
Yep, it is.
Are you gonna use it?
Of course I am.
That one.
And we got the white pair secured.
This is a new one. Let me see.
The review of the Amamaniere Jordan 12 collaboration in not one, but 2 colorways.
7 times.
Excuse me, I'm down here in Georgia and the pollen count is at 100,000. My allergies is killing me right now, but I'm gonna fight through it and we're gonna get through this because I'm super excited to bring this to y'all. Alright, so as y'all know, I have a huge affinity for Amamaniere, James Whitner, his entire Whitaker group, from the backstory, how he came up, his realizations after, going through some things in his life, and even, creating his own brand and building basically, an empire. It could be, 4 people, or it could be, 4 million people, you know what I mean? Piece of the American dream.
I know you probably hear this every day, but I'm your biggest fan.
I love the statement that he makes, Amamaniere, which translates to in my own way. If you know me, come on, man.
Just shut up. You had me at hello.
All right, so without further ado, let's get into our review and drip forecast of the Amamaniere times Jordan 12. She is the blueprint. Amamaniere kills it when it comes to presentation every single time. It's not a very close competition. It comes in a standard Jordan 12 box, kind of like a throwback, where you have your quality inspired by the greatest player ever on these sides. Has the Amamaniere co-branding along with the Jumpman on the sides. The colorway and tag reads Women's Air Jordan 12 Retro SP, so special project. Black Burgundy Crush. This is a actual size 13 in women's, which is 11.5 in men's, because this they didn't make my size 12, so I had to fit into this. So I've got some very some very thin socks to help me get into this, and actually it wasn't so bad. I don't know about going to play ball, but hey, I can definitely ball. So let's go ahead and open up this box. First thing that we see here is, man, come on. Obviously, we have a picture of Jordan crushing over in the flu game or the bad pizza game, whichever one you want to go with. All right, y'all. First impressions out the box.
Fire.
These are crazy. Some of the reviews really probably not doing it a lot of justice. Once you see them in hand, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Then let's take a look at the sneakers themselves, all right? Top down, we have a Jordan Jumpman logo, which is actually raised. I don't know if this is glued on or whatever. It's not metal, it's not plastic, it's something in between that. Right here on this. On this one, we have the same raised metal, but it's the Amamaniere A. Wax laces, when you take a look at the top down, I think that's pretty cool. Gives it a very premium look. Right there on the eyelids, if you want to take a look, we have, let me see if I can get that in the camera for you. Amamaniere A on this one, and the Jumpman logo. This material right here is a nubuck, very, very soft nubuck. Really gets the feel, very premium touch. Let me see if you can catch some of that. It does, do that motion right there. And we have down here across the toe box going into the mud guard, more of a hairy suede, very premium finish for this. The Jumpman, I like the color that it comes off of. It's kind of like a burgundy, copperish, almost like a penny, if you will. It's a Jordan 12. Jordan 12s really aren't the most intricate of designs, but I mean, when you are able to put together something that is what I would call flawless, inside typical quilted interior for Amamaniere. It's black, so it's really tough to pick up on that camera. Sorry about that. I'm not pulling this out, by the way, but inside of this is actually it's burgundy, and it also has the Amamaniere A's going across it, kind of like the sheath. We've got Amamaniere quality products inspired by culture. I love that. I do. We've got Jordan quality products inspired by the greatest player of all time. Also comes with the chocolate hang tag, so you can see it a little bit long to wear by yourself, but I think they also put this on the 2 and also on the 4. I really like the hang tag that was on the 3 and also on the 1. by the way. These are cool to have, but you know, I like to wear my hang tags, and I really can't, you know, wear this.
I can't get jiggy with this shit.
Let's take a look at the second pair. Same box. Same, except the women's Air Jordan 112 SP. This one is white, black burgundy crush. All right, bam. Bitch. Here we are. We have the white pair. All right, now there's the differences in them, obviously, between, you know, obviously the obvious that they're, you know, white and black. The white pair obviously has a leather upper, and the leather is, you can take a look and see how premium that leather is. That is meant to crease. And this material right here,
This shit right here.
oh my goodness.
This is beautiful. What is that, velvet?
Look at that. Look how soft that is, right? Same concept, you know, with the Jordan and the amamaniere. You can obviously see it a lot better top down. On the back, the co-branding itself right here. The white hang tag. This is not even a question of can you drip this. This is an extinction level event. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is, you need to build yourself an ark. It's coming. All right, and I do plan on pulling both of these out when I go to New York next month, as well as this black pair. Gonna make it a whole amamaniere weekend, if you will. Probably a minority camp that actually thinks that the black pair is better than the white pair. Long journey, but we do have them both secured, and it is great. So hey, I mean, did you guys pick up any other two colorways? Did you pick up both of them? What do you think about them? Let me know down in the comments. And by all means, you know, if you like what I'm doing here, like the video. And if you want to see some more, you know, subscribe. You know, I'm here for it all day. I'm gonna build this thing from the ground up, and you're gonna watch me do it. So I mean, here we are. And at the end of the day, as you know, I'm very humbled and blessed for every pair of eyes that's watching and every pair of ears that's listening. I hope everyone remains blessed and highly favored. So other than that, peace, y'all.
Wait, there's more.
Now, you know good and well I was finna come back, because you know I just don't feel like I'm doing it justice in hand.